So guys, welcome back. It is detail day on the E28. So it is detail day. We are going to try and shine up the passenger side of the car. As you can see, it has some minor scratches here and there, and it's really dirty. So we are going to give it a good wash, a good scrub, and then we are going to start detailing. And working our way. We're going to use just a polishing compound at first to see what that gets us. And then, like, for some of these scratches, we may need to go a little bit deeper. But they're just minor. They're not, you can't feel them with your fingernail. They're not there. So, yeah. So let's get into it. So this is side one with the ultimate compound. I'm only hitting the main surfaces right now. We're going to go back in detail, and I'm going to tape off around all the metal trim, polish the metal trim, everything. I just wanted to see how the ultimate compound was gonna work. We still have some swirl marks, and we're going to have to go back and really do a full detail, because this is just like the first, just to get all the imperfections and stuff, and you guys can kind of see the swirl marks in it. But we're gonna get those all taken care of here in our next round, because our next major round is we're pulling the taillights out, pulling the emblem off, pulling everything off, so we can detail all the nooks and crannies, tape off all the side moldings, and really go to town on this car, detail wise. But it's coming out pretty decent. So we took a break, guys. When we got back to the trunk, I want to remove the taillights so that we can polish and clean up everything. So we started taking the taillights out, and then I remembered, besides my door handle that I ordered, I remembered that I need to pull the cluster, because I need to figure out what cluster we have and if we can get an SI one with no batteries, or do we need to replace the batteries. So I need to pull the cluster, figure out which one it is. So let's pull that, get that out of here, and then we can take that apart later inside and get the taillights out so that we can polish the back of the car. But let's get this out first. So we got that out, sort of set that so we can go take that inside. And then we need to take out the trunk bolts here. I don't know, I think they're an 8. I'll figure that out. You get a at night it looks really good, but in the daytime you can still see a couple of swirls. But that first polish or waxing looks really, really good. We're gonna have great success with getting it all cleaned up. So you saw in our last clip, we were cleaning up the side of the car. We were working our way around to the back. We got the emblems removed, and I found some emblems, and I just need the grommets, so we ordered grommets. We also got our front thrust arms in the mail, and our dome lights for the inside. But we are going to pull our tail lights off so that we can actually polish up the chrome and get all in between all the cracks. So we're going to pull our tail lights. But we also got in the mail, we got our SEM Trim Black Ultra. So we got that to refinish all of these, all of this, the vents on the front grille, all the black, basically all the trim black on this thing. We got to paint to bring that back. All this, everything. So We are not going to do that this video. That's going to be a whole separate video because we're going to take off the moldings, take off the grills, take off all that stuff, and trim black it. But we are today going to pull the taillights, and then I'll show you what we did with the dashboard. So we have the taillights out. As you can see, there's a bunch of dirt as normal, but this will allow us to actually get in here and polish all of this up the correct way, and everything. So we're gonna clean this up with spray wax and get that all cleaned up, and then we'll see what we can do with the polish. Okay, we have the taillights out, and we are going to bust out the little Dremel, and we're gonna polish these up and polish the lights and everything. There's no cracks in those, which is fantastic. So next, time to clean these up.